Deep in Germany's Black Forest, there's a legend about a woman who never left. They call her Die Schwarze Mutter, the Black Mother. Locals say she lost her children to the woods centuries ago, and every foggy night she searches still, her cries echoing through the trees. Some hikers say they've seen her, a pale figure gliding between the trunks, eyes glowing like dying embers. Others weren't so lucky. One man claimed he followed the sound of crying until he found a woman in white, her face hidden by a veil. She looked up, and the forest went silent. The next day they found his phone on the trail, still recording. Only one sound remained, a woman whispering, "Have you seen my children?"